How to make consistent $1,000+ per month on Fiverr. And this is XB Marketing with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining and giving you tips and tricks that you can use to make consistent income on Fiverr starting today. Alright, the number one thing you need to do is you want to set up your gig and make it look as professional as possible. Right, you want to set up your profile and make it look as professional as possible. Let me show you an example of what a professional profile looks like. All right, as you can see, let's come to this gig. All right, if you go to the profile of this account, as you can see, this guy has taken orders in queue. So let's go to his profile and see what his profile looks like. As you can see, he has a nice short heading right here, right? And you can see he also described what he's all about. And you can see he has his logo here. So basically, you want to do the same thing. You want to have a good logo for your profile, and then you also have just a short one-liner right up here. It could be anything, but something really reasonable. And also you want to have a good description of your profile. All right, so basically you want your profile to look professional, and you want to explain and you want to really describe what your service is all about in this section here. Right, that is the number one thing you need to do, making your profile look professional as possible. And secondly, second thing you need to do is you need to make your gig stand out amongst others. All right, so if anybody goes on to search for logo design, as I already did here, you want to make sure your gig stands. As you can see, this gig picture stands out a lot. It stands out. This one also stands out as well. As you can see, all these gigs here, none of them is identical. They all stood out in their own unique way. So basically, that is what you need to do as well. You want your gig picture and your gig design to stand out. When people search for gig, they see that you are not just copying someone else, and you stand out on your own. And the third thing you need to do is you need to offer a competitive price, especially when you're just starting on Fiverr, right? You need to offer a very, very good and affordable price. And once you build your reputation, then you can go on and increase your prices, right? As you can see, this gig here is charging $25. This one is charging $20, and this one is charging $15. As you can see, this person charging $15 is giving a more competitive price. And if we click on the gig, you can see he has 17 orders in queue. All right, so you need to charge a competitive price amongst your competitors. And once you're getting a lot of orders, then you can go on to increase your price. All right, so that is the third thing you need to do. And the fourth thing you need to do is you need to maintain good customer relationship with your clients. All right, you want to make sure you're professional. You want to make sure you reply to their messages, and you want to make sure you give them as much value as you can for their money. All right, that is the way Fiverr will keep recommending your gigs, and then you make more money, because once Fiverr recommends your gig, they promote it on the first page, and then once your gig is on the first page, you have high chances to make more money, because more people would find your gig. So basically, that is all you need to do to get consistent $1,000+ per month on Fiverr. As you can see, these are the things that I use on my account. These are the strategies I use for my account as well, and I have been making consistent $1,000+ on Fiverr on this account alone. All right, So that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value in this video at all, make sure you subscribe to the channel and look around the channel. You'll definitely find other videos that will help you out in your journey to make money online. And with saying all that, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with anybody who will find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.